Hello, my name is Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach, and today we're going to take a look at the 2020 235 Scout XSF. You'll notice she has a black 300 V8 Verado on the back, synthetic teak, it's a nice walk around at the stern of the boat, live well built into the transom, great rod holders across the back with cup holders, a nice bench seat here. If you're fishing, want to get it out of your way, it slides flush against the transom. Cooler storage underneath the leaning post with 4 more rocket launchers built in. Notice you got a nice fiberglass hardtop with rocket launchers built in here. Nice leaning post with seats that flip down. At the helm area, we have a nice big Garmin screen where you see with a fish finder, GPS, Bluetooth stereo, Linco trim tabs, glove box here for storage. And also moving forward here in the console, you have a vacuum flush head with storage tank built in underneath. Moving forward, a nice lounge area, 2 backrested seats in the front, great seating, and great storage as well. This boat has ample amount of storage built into this box here. This boat is in shark gray. It is a used 2020 with only 25 hours. If you'd like to see this boat in person, my name is Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach, and it's 910-256-8100. Thanks for taking a look today.